Immerse yourself in a journey back in time where the humble origins of beef brisket began. This cut of meat, once considered lowly, was transformed by culinary ingenuity into a dish revered around the globe. Pioneers of the past discovered that slow cooking this tough cut turned it into a tender, melt-in-your-mouth delight. And thus, beef brisket found its place in the annals of culinary history. Fast forward to today, the tradition continues, especially in the heart of Texas. Here, beef brisket isn't just a dish, it's a culture, a way of life. Barbecue pits across the Lone Star State are ablaze, slow-cooking briskets to smoky perfection. Imagine the aroma of the smoke, the sizzle as it cooks, and finally, the taste of that succulent, smoky meat. This is beef brisket, a testament to culinary evolution, a celebration of barbecue culture, and most importantly, a delicious treat savored by many. Join us again as we explore more culinary delights in our next bite-sized video.